Hey guys, so today we're actually making a press on nail video. It has been a minute, hasn't it? So I have my nail tips. These are medium almonds. I am going to etch the surface instead of buffing. I'm going to be using my Après primer. Literally use whatever you want. There's nothing special about this other than I like the brush. So I just go like this to get a little texture on the nail. I know you probably know this already. Honestly, just recently started doing this myself because I was buffing for the longest time and it's so annoying. So annoying. So I already did one hand of the nails and they came out really cute. Really cute. I don't know what I want to call them. In my opinion, I don't know if you guys will agree when you see them, but it's kind of like a girly dreamcore aesthetic that I want to go for with this set. But just simple nails, but really cute. Well, pretty simple. Of course, we need some charms. So how are you guys doing? I'm sorry it's been so long since I made a press-on nail video. I used to do these all the time, like so often, but I've been doing Gel X, but it's always nice to have sets of nails ready to use, you know what I mean? Just in case you don't feel like spending the time, but like I always need to have nails on. So we're just gonna do our base colors. I'm going to be taking this Quartz Rose from Nail Reserve for 2 of the nails. And this is like a beautiful full toned pink. My camera never gets the stuff exactly right. So I'm going to be doing the thumb and the pinky, just one coat. Nice and thin, just, you know, trying to get even coverage. I'm going to be putting something else over the top of this. So, what's new with you guys? The baby is finally, thank the Lord, sleeping through the night. So, it is about 8 p.m. right now. Hence why I finally have a chance to sit down and take my time doing this so I don't have to rush, which is nice. Nails for me or therapy. I'm sure you probably agree. It's just like calming and it is just fun. It's how I get out my creativity and stuff because I don't really like paint or anything, but this is close enough. So we're done with this. Next, for the middle finger, I'm going to be using this Starlight by Nail Reserve. Ew. Sorry, it's just like a clear with glitters. Can you see that? I'm going to do 2 coats of that. Just on the middle finger. And the nice thing about these is they only take 30 seconds to cure. And they smell really nice. I haven't done a video using Nail Reserve in quite a while. And then for the pointer and the ring, I'm using Each Day, which is a Milky Way. I'm so sorry that my hands are making that sound on the bottle. This, oh my good God. I just put on cuticle oil, so my hands are very slippery. Also, little fun fact, my son's pet rat, he has 2 of them. He got them for Christmas. Because me and my husband, years ago, used to have a pet rat. So we knew that they are very nice pets, very sweet. Long story short, we got my son 2 rats for Christmas. You know, last Christmas, 2025, obviously. And I was cleaning their cage today, and the one rat, I am like still in shock. He bit me. Not like super hard or anything, but he did. I literally cannot believe it. See, I cleaned it really good, but yeah, he actually bit me, the little bugger. So yeah, that was not fun. But yeah, I don't know. Out of character. The other rat, one's black and one's like beige, not white. It's like beige. We call it the blonde rat. That's the one that bit me, the blonde rat. Yeah. And of course, don't you know, all the talk about like hantavirus and stuff lately because of the whole cruise ship thing. I don't know if any of you guys like actually follow the news or anything. I'm not worried about hantavirus. It just made me think about it. But yeah, very strange happenings in the world today. Very strange. I don't usually talk on topics like this, like anything about the news or like politics. I just don't like really going there, but you know what? I honestly think I'm gonna start going there because like it's my channel. And I don't know. What I was initially getting at is I cannot wait for those UFO file releases. I literally can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm like creeped out a little bit, but like not really. I've always been like into UFOs and aliens and stuff, and I believe, just not over the top. Like I know it has to be, you know, there's so much space out there. There has to be something else, or there has to be like a parallel dimension. I don't know. There's definitely something, so I'm excited and wondering what they're going to have to say. So I'm taking this Born Pretty gel nail polish. This is called Love Radar. It is a milky white with some heart sequins in it. I'm going to be putting this on the 2 pink nails. It's really cute. So pretty much I'm just trying to get a thin, even coat first of the milky white. It just makes it easier to work with. And then I'll lay down like 1 or 2 sequins. That one naturally went down. But I just want to make sure my color is even. So I'm happy with that. I put 2 on each finger on the other one, so I guess I'm gonna just stick with that. I think it looks really pretty over the top of that pink. It made it like a muted, milky pink. I really like this polish a lot. So that cures for 60 seconds, and we can do our pinky as well. So yeah, I can't wait to hear the alien news. Very cute. I love this polish. This was in my most recent Born Pretty PR video, if you missed that. I always get so much pretty stuff from them. Always the cat eyes are just so beautiful as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna carry that. My lamp is over to the side, obviously. Yeah. So we're done with that too. Okay, so I'm using another Nail Reserve polish. This is an art gel in Snowdrop. These two are getting a little bit extra. One is going to be a French tip. This one, I'm not the greatest, but we'll do okay. I probably can't talk while I'm doing this. I'll fill it in and then touch it up. So yeah, just hanging out in quiet, making some nails before bed. I was gonna dye my hair, but I don't feel like it. I really don't. I want to do it, but I don't want to deal with it. Okay, that's a good base. Hope you can see what I'm doing because I'm not looking into the camera. So curing that. And then this one is just going to be like, I don't know what to call it. One of these. I'm just going to clean up this. Alright, so I had to do 2 coats on this. It was looking a little splotchy. I'm pretty pleased with it now. So all our base is done. We are ready to apply some charms. I just have 2 tiny stars. This little pink and gold bow and another like clearish bow. And of course, I'm going to be using some of these. I'm using this glue today. I like this one. So yeah, let's get going. I just want this as centered as I can get it. Okay, I think that's really cute. I really like this bow. It comes in like a mix of all different colors. They were from Shein. So our little stars and these are going on the middle finger. Okay, so I'm pretty pleased with that. It's not exactly the same to the other one, but that's okay. It's cute. It's weird. I like it. So I'm going to cure this, and then we can top coat, and we can do the unveiling. This is the top coat I'm using for today. I'm honestly just trying to finish this one up. There's nothing special about it. There's nothing bad about it. It's a good no wipe top gel. I just want to finish it. We're using Sappyland. Okay, so here we go. I thought I was filming the top coating, but indeed I was not. So let's get a little close up here. See, they're so pretty. I take that back. This top coat is actually really, really nice. Look how glossy that looks. These came out really cute because I wasn't rushing. Let me know what you think down below, and if you're still here, comment me some hearts and stars so I know you watched all the way to the end, and if you are still here, you should probably subscribe.